Hi, I'm Jared, and I wanted to show you this game-changing product, the SideTrak Swivel. SideTrak is a 12.5-inch full HD portable monitor that allows you to easily work anywhere with 2 screens. Simply clip the magnetic mounting frame onto the metal plate that's on your laptop. Then, you want to open your laptop, rotate your screen, and then flip the screen. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to plug in the USB-C to USB-C cord. That's if you have the USB-C port. Otherwise, you need to plug in both the mini HDMI and the USB cord. And now, you're ready to work on the go. SideTrak's magnets glide across the attached metal plate, so you can slide your screen in and out. And the screen swivels horizontally and vertically to adjust to your viewing preference. Easily share your screen with the person across from you by changing your display settings to mirror, and then rotate the screen horizontally. You can also choose to swivel the SideTrak vertically, and the screen is going to auto-rotate. You may need to unplug and plug the screen back in to prevent the cord from getting tangled. The SideTrak swivel weighs 1.2 pounds and has a strong magnetic connection. This allows you to pick up your laptop while the SideTrak is still open and walk from room to room without having to take down your whole setup. If you would like to provide additional support to your laptop's hinge, we recommend using SideTrak's built-in kickstand. This kickstand also enables SideTrak Swivel to be used as a freestanding monitor. When you're finished working, simply unplug your power cord, swivel, and then close your SideTrak. Close the laptop, and then you're ready to go. Or simply pop it off the metal plates and travel with it separately. SideTrak is powered by DisplayPort technology and is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Chrome operating systems. If you have any connectivity issues, contact our all-star customer service team. If you're interested in learning more about the SideTrak, see the tech specs below and make your work at home, in the office, or on the go easier and faster with SideTrak.